Globally, coronavirus cases have reached up to 29,38,729 and 2,03,798 people have died so far. In India, as of now, there are a total of 26,917 active cases of coronavirus, whereas 5,914 people have either been cured, discharged, or migrated, and 826 people have died due to coronavirus. India recorded 1,975 new cases in the last 24 hours, the biggest single day spike so far. Government officials today said the recovery rate of coronavirus patients in the country has jumped to 22%, an increase of 10 percentage points from the rate of 12% recorded till 10 days ago. It is a sign that India's battle against the virus is heading in the right direction. Let's move on to important news. The first patient who was administered convalescent plasma therapy on compassionate grounds in Delhi has now fully recovered and was discharged on Sunday with promising prognosis. The patient had been weaned off ventilator support 7 days ago at the Max Hospital in Saket. The 49-year-old male patient from Delhi had tested positive for COVID-19 on April 4. With moderate symptoms and a history of respiratory issues, he was admitted to the East Wing of the Max Hospital, which is a COVID-19 facility, later that same day. The patient's condition deteriorated during the next few days and he soon required external oxygen to maintain saturation. He developed pneumonia with type 1 respiratory failure and had to be put on ventilator support on April 8. When the patient showed no improvement in his condition, his family requested the hospital for administration of plasma therapy on compassionate ground, a first of its kind treatment modality that was used for this disease in India. Tablighi Jamaat Chief Maulana Saad Kandhavli has tested negative for COVID-19, his lawyer informed on Sunday. He was ordered to get tested by Delhi Police Crime Branch. Now Maulana Saad may appear before the crime branch on Monday. Delhi Police's crime branch had on March 31 lodged an FIR against 7 people including the cleric on a complaint by station house officer of Nizamuddin police station for holding congregation of Tablighi Jamaat followers in alleged violation of the orders against large gatherings to contain the spread of coronavirus. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Sunday said that 80% of patients of coronavirus were asymptomatic in the state, which at over 7,600 has the highest number of infections in the country. The high figure increases the possibility of a silent spread of the virus and emphasizes on the need for more testing as more and more people become carriers who can potentially spread the virus further without showing any symptoms. In Rajasthan, which has over 2,100 confirmed cases, also about 80% of the patients have been asymptomatic according to health officials. In Rajasthan, which has over 2,100 confirmed cases, also about 80% of the patients have been asymptomatic according to health officials. Thackeray said the state has succeeded in slowing down the spread of coronavirus due to the lockdown and he will review the situation before taking any decision on giving relaxations. The Delhi High Court has directed 3 private companies importing COVID-19 testing kits from China to cap the selling price at Rs 400 per unit, down from Rs 600 per kit rate approved by the Indian Council of Medical Research. Saying that the public good must be prioritized over private gains, the court ruled that test kits should be made available at the lowest possible prices so that the virus can be controlled and people's health can be safeguarded at the time when the country is facing unprecedented medical crisis. However, the order would not affect price of the kits to be sold to ICMR and the Tamil Nadu government, who had placed the original orders.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.